Are you struggling with thinning hair or constant shedding? What if I told you the answer might come from a simple plant leaf that has been used for centuries? Yep, I'm talking about moringa. It is often called the miracle tree. And new research shows it could actually help regrow hair in as little as 12 weeks. Now, let's break down the science behind this superfood and how it can support your roots from the inside out. Now, a recent clinical study found that participants who consume moringa extract daily experience significant improvements in hair regrowth and reduced shedding within 12 weeks. Not years, not months of expensive treatments, just 3 months of consistent supplementation. Now, what is so remarkable is the benefits. Now, what are some of the most noticeable benefits that was derived? One, increased ear density. Two, stronger strands. And three, a more natural sheen. No, and the results were so powerful in these people with nutrient deficiencies or chronic thinning. So, what makes moringa so effective? Now, we're going to break down some of the nutrients that are found in this plant. Now, it contains zinc and iron. Now, zinc and iron, these minerals are critical for hair follicle repair and oxygen delivery to the scalp. Without them, follicles weaken and growth slows down. It also contains vitamin A. It keeps your scalp moisturized by supporting healthy sebum production. A dry scalp often means brittle, breakage prone hair. It also contains vitamin C and E. Now, these antioxidants they help to protect your follicles from oxidative stress. That's the kind of cellular damage that makes hair age faster. Plus, vitamin C helps to boost collagen, giving strands more strength and resilience. It also contains amino acids. Now, these are the building blocks of keratin, the main structural protein in your hair. Without amino acids, your body can't produce strong, thick strands. Now, why does it matter that you take in moringa? Now, you might be wondering, why moringa instead of a regular multivitamin? The answer is bioavailability. Because moringa is a whole food source, these nutrients that comes in a natural balance that your body absorbs more efficiently than synthetic isolates. That means your hair follicles get the nutrients they need faster and in forms they can actually use. Now, unlike quick fixes or topical treatments, Moringa works from the inside out, supporting not just your ear, but also your skin, your nails, and your overall health. Now, if you're curious about trying Moringa, now here are a few easy ways to add it into your routine, how you can use it. Now you can take it in the form of capsules or supplements, which is the easiest option. You could look for standardized extracts for consistent dosage. You can take it in the form of powder. You can add a teaspoon to your smoothies, soups, or even sprinkle it on your salads. You can take it in the form of tea. You can brew moringa leaves for a calming, nutrient rich drink. Or you can buy the moringa tea bags and consume it. Now, just remember a word of caution that consistency is key. Most studies show results after daily use for at least 12 weeks. Now, moringa is generally safe, but like any supplement, more isn't always better. So please stick to the recommended dosages. And if you are pregnant or breastfeeding or taking any other form of medication, please check with your doctor first. Consult with your doctor first before you start consuming Moringa. So remember, this isn't a pill that will just voila work overnight like that, but it's a natural support system for your hair health, and over time you will see the results. So if you're tired of watching your hair thin out and you're ready to nourish your roots from the inside, Moringa might just be the natural boost you've been looking for. So if this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips, and please drop a comment below. Would you try Moringa for hair growth? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And until next time, stay safe, stay confident, and take good care of yourself from the inside out. Thank you so much for watching.